Man, I just love noodles.
Not as much as me, dude. Not as much as me.
Oh yeah? I bet I love them even more.
Okay then, how much do you love noodles?
This much. And will always love noodles. Yeah, I'll always love noodles. Yeah, I'll always love you. So how much do you love noodles? Oh my God!